Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Smart Power Liftgate in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an SX all-wheel drive in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos now includes a Smart Power Liftgate. So there's a couple ways that we can open the Power Liftgate. One of them is right from the key fob here, the hold button. So if we press and hold that, it's just going to go ahead and pop open. And then to close it from the smart fob, we're just going to press and hold it and keep holding it until it fully closes. From the inside, you can hit the hold button that's here to the left of the steering column to open and close it. And on the hatch itself, the button to open it is to the left of the backup camera here, just a rubber button to press. And if you were to have had the doors locked and you went and hit that button to open it from the back, the rest of the doors are going to remain locked. So if you're busy down here, nobody's going to be able to try to jump in from the side. And when you're ready to go and close it, you just push the button, it's going to close. And then you see it flashed and it actually relocked itself. So if I walk away from the key fob and somebody goes to try and open it, they won't be able to open it. And for the smart portion of the power liftgate, first we're gonna head inside to make sure it's on. And to make sure that it's on, we're gonna head into the 10.25 inch infotainment screen, and we can hit setup either in the bottom right here underneath the climate controls, or we can swipe the whole screen to the left and hit setup in the bottom right corner. Then we're gonna go into vehicle. And then on the left, we're going to go into door. We're going to scroll up in the middle, and then we're going to see that the power liftgate is on, but we just need to make sure that the smart liftgate is on. From the factory, power liftgate is already turned on, but the smart portion generally isn't, so you want to make sure that it is on. And now that we've made sure it's on, I have my key fob on me, so if the vehicle was completely locked and we've been away from the car, and say you come out from a store and your hands are full, you walk up to the back of the vehicle, it knows that the key fob is back here, it will start to beep and it will flash. When it hits the fourth beep, it's just going to go ahead and power right open for you. You don't have to try to worry about flip-flailing, hitting a sensor, because that doesn't always work. And then you can always close it by hitting the button here to close it. Also, if you happen to be parking in a garage and you have a height limit as to how high this can open, you can move this manually. Press and hold this button until it beeps, and then it will save that height. So next time you go to open, it will only go to that height. And although you can press and hold the button to save the height, we're gonna head back into the door settings. And from in here, yes, we made sure the power liftgate was on, but you can also change the opening speed to fast or normal, or you can change the level of the height from here. So right now we already saved it, so it is saved to the user height setting, but you can also set it to level 1, 2, or 3, or go full open, and it will give you a little example over here as to how high it is going to open. Otherwise, you can set it yourself, personal preference. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.